Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these canvas wall arts behind me. No long intro, without further ado, let's get straight into it. First thing I did is get this thing called Professional Lick Tech. It's basically what you need to mix with the paint that helps the paint run. Then I got masking tape and a bunch of different acrylic paints. It's important that the paints are acrylic because acrylic is the texture that will help move through the canvas a lot smoother. Now the colour scheme I was going for was like greys, golds and white, so just get any colour you want. You can literally do this with any colour. Then I got 3 big canvases and used masking tape to kind of just like protect the edges of all of the canvases. This is to ensure that paint doesn't go on the edges. Optional, some people like paint going on the edges. Me personally, I like it when the edges look smooth and crisp, so I definitely was gonna cover it up. But this is 100% optional. You do not have to do this bit. It's just up to you. Then I'm going to mix the Liquitex, I hope I'm saying it right, with the actual acrylic paint. So I just use plastic cups just because they're easy to get rid of. Ain't nobody got time to be washing different things. I just got plastic cups because I could just throw it away once I'm done. And I mixed all the colours together until it was really, really runny. Once that was done, I laid my canvases down on a flat surface and then yeah, I began pouring. Now there's no real way to do this. You literally just freehand it, do whatever you want. There's no perfect way to do it. So I was just putting like blobs of colours everywhere and then putting colours inside of colours. I really like the way that that one looked. But yeah, so I just kept doing that until I get a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun like me and you're on a budget, then you can just use a blow dryer. It does the same job, and literally blow the paint across the canvas. After a while, I decided to do the tipping method, which is basically when you have the paint and you just tip it and move it around. With this method, you can't guarantee how it's gonna look. Well, with paint, it kind of just has a mind of its own. This is just an example to show you guys the different ways you can do it. Some people cover the whole canvas in this kind of paint and leave it just like this. I knew that I would go ahead and do a bit more, but just to show you guys, it would look really cute if I just left it like this to dry. That's a whole vibe on its own, honey. But I went to do a little bit more, but just to show you guys, this is like the moving the canvas method. I'm not gonna lie guys, I wish I left it like this. I proper love how this is coming out. I am gonna do more of these. I think I'm gonna do it with like pink. Guys, imagine this with like a pink, silver. This will look so pretty. Anyways, later on I went ahead and just like merged all the colors together. Again guys, I'm a freehander. My hand just does whatever it wants to do. This was more, I felt like this style fit the vibe of my front room a lot more. I did love the other one, but this style just fit the vibe. Just like a lot more cooler. There's a lot less going on in the sense where there's not a lot of colors that are showing up. You do get the hints of the gold and the browns portraying through. But I really preferred this one rather than the other one. But for my beauty room, I think I'll prefer the other style, if that makes sense, because it's just a lot going on for the front room. Again, just showing you different things you can do. There's actually no right way to do it. I literally just get my finger and started creating any shapes that I wanted to, and once this dries, it looks so pretty. I know it kind of looks crazy now, but you can literally do anything, guys. Look at the wooden floors. I've completely ruined the apartment. Can you see what what I mean? This is a lot less busy. I really did love how this one came out. I got these little flake materials. They're basically like silver material, and I literally covered the board in them. Oh my god, I feel like this looks so pretty. It added a whole new element to the canvas. I left that for one whole day to dry. It dried pretty quick. Acrylic does actually dry really quick. Then, as you can see, I'm ripping off the masking tape from the edges, and voila, you have that crisp edge that I really was hoping to keep. This was my first time doing this, so some places it did run through. I didn't really tape it as the best I could have, but I did like how it came out. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys like it. I literally, in the middle one, I used more of the darker grey on the bottom and then a lighter grey on the top. They all look really different, but they still look like they're all a family, if that makes sense. But yeah, you can do so much with this canvas art, guys. Have fun with it, play around, and enjoy it. It's just art. And the good thing about it is that it's so inexpensive. You can just buy a canvas and literally start again whenever you want. If I decide to change the apartment color to like blue or pink, I can literally just get a pink paint and do this style again, and it just ties in with the theme of the room. I hope you guys enjoy watching. I'm going to be back on my DIY because that is literally what makes me happy. DIY is something that like it's been inside of me, so I'm going to start doing a lot more DIY on this channel. I hope you guys don't mind. I feel like God gave me these hands to create for a reason, so let's get it. I actually did make another canvas which was like pink and blue and really pretty. Yes, I'm going to be recording a lot more DIY stuff as well to show y'all what I be doing to the apartment. The apartment tour video is coming real soon. I definitely will show you what I've done. It's a really small space, but I've done a lot with it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.